So in this video we're gonna take a look at HyperX latest gaming mechanical keyboard. It's called Alloy FPS RGB. I actually got it in my lap, guys. Sets you back at $98 US. Features Kailh, speed silver, hard to pronounce, super sorry guys, hope you can forgive me. But we gotta start with the unboxing, right? Let's dig into it. $98 US, guys. What would you actually pay for a keyboard like this? Let me know in the comments. Now, a few things that differentiates this keyboard among the thousands of keyboards available on the market right now. First and foremost, we got the Kailh speed silver speed, actually. Sorry guys for the pronunciation, I'm Swedish after all. Now, we got a pulling rate of 1000 Hz, 100% anti-ghosting, N-key mode. But the difference between the Cherry MX Speed and the Kailh Silver is first and foremost, both of them are linear. We got a 1.1mm operation travel, but on the Cherry MX Speed it's actually 1.2, so advantage on the Silver Speed. Also, is there anything else? Yeah, we got the 50-gram actuation on this one, whereas on the Cherry MX Speed it's 45. So a little bit harder to press this switch. Last but definitely not least, this one should last you 70 million keystrokes, whereas for the Cherry MX Speed only lasts you 50 million keystrokes. I mean, kind of ridiculous, I know. Anything else? Yes, we got a dedicated USB port on the back of the front, whatever you want to call it. Unfortunately, this port can only be used to charge your mobile, your cell phone, which is a bummer in my opinion. I don't understand why they decided to go this route down. They could have made it just a regular USB port. Unfortunately, they decided not to. This whole keyboard is quite heavy, I gotta say. Let's open the box, guys. Nice. First impression is important, they say. There's something here to grab onto, so I'm gonna do that. Oh, look at that. Download software at HyperX Gaming and Genity. So that is the software you're gonna want to download. We're gonna take a look at that in the full review, of course. So this is the braided cable, actually attachable. I was about to say non-attachable, but it is indeed detachable, right? So 1.8 meters, which is standard among keyboard and mice. So nothing special about that. Then we can get a greater look at the double USB pass-through. Not sure why they decided to go with a mini USB. Because of the way how this is made design-wise, the micro USB is better in every way over this one. So not a super smart decision from Kingston to go this way down. Anyway, whatever, you're not gonna play around too much with this anyway, so what is the advantage of having a detachable cable? Well, let's say you're traveling a lot. Ooh, look at that. Well, let's say you're traveling a lot. Not really sure why you would. I mean, if it breaks, right? Never happened to me, but whatever. Let's see, what else do we got? Let's see what we got here. So we got a HyperX. HyperX got you covered. Nice. So what is this? Some sort of postcard? No? Congratulations for joining the HyperX family, in fact. Nice. Save those for later. And yeah, we got a quick start guide. Obviously, we don't have time for that. And this is the keyboard. Look at that. Nice. Nice. We got extended legs, which can be extended in, alright, just one way. And here you can see, guys, get a better picture of that. The extended or the pass-through USB. Though keep in mind you can only use this for charging your cell phone, which is still very nice, of course. Now, super duper durable. Don't know what to say, guys. I'm kind of speechless right now. But yeah, we gotta try the keyboard, right? We need to do that. So let's see. And boom, look at that. So this is what I believe the spectrum cycling. How do you change this? So you got a function key. So you got 5 different brightness modes or brightness levels. And you can jump between the various lighting modes. You got 3 in total. By pressing and holding down the FN key. As you can see, this is just cycling, I think, and this is some focus on the W, A, S, and D. And this is just the rainbow effect. We gotta take a greater look at the software in the upcoming review, of course. Now, what is my first impression? Well, you can definitely feel the faster travel. That's for sure. Not sure if this is gonna give me any advantage in game. Probably not. I'm not very good at playing games. What can I say? The sound is so stupid. Anyway, here's a comparison between the various HyperX keyboards available right now. As you can see, this is the only keyboard that features this Kailh silver speed. But yeah, I want to know in the comments, guys, how much would you actually pay for this keyboard? $98 seems reasonable, right? But as always, cannot wait to really dig into this, play a lot of games on it. Definitely gonna play a ton of different games on it. Let's just have a look at the there we go. Nice. All right. But yeah, guys, that's gotta cut it for this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, until next time, guys, have an awesome day, alright? Bye.